Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the view of the workload into a space on your Clickup account, and also how you can basically manage it. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what the workload view actually does. The workload view helps you see who on your team is overloaded, who has capacity, and how much time each task is expected to take across days or weeks. This is super useful if you are planning sprints, managing multiple projects, or just want to avoid burnout and keep your team balanced. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what are we going to do next is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the board or the space that we have a workload on it. For example, we are going to have it on this one. So I swear that I have added a workload. So let's see here. Normally, it is going to be right there. So this is our workload. Now we are going to have the view of a workload right there. Scroll down on the more views, click on workload, and you are going to visualize your team capacity. You can also create a new workload view if you don't see one yet by clicking on plus view and choosing workload from the options, then saving it for your space or folder. So how it is going to work? Basically, it is going to set up the persons or the assignees, which are going to be situated right there. There you are going to have an hourly or a total volume of hours that you are going to have on the task. It is going to depend on the assignee and also the date estimate or the time estimate and also the due dates. Here, a quick tip. Make sure your tasks have time estimates and start due dates set up because the workload view uses those to calculate how busy each person is. Without those, the workload might look empty or incomplete. So here we have set up a date from today to Sunday. The estimate hour, move and open the door in down. Sums go off. Screaming at best and work at best, then all the moving pieces are on the front and get more work in the training. If I had over the workload TA, this is abbreviation of the person we have on this date, which is going to be the 7th, and it is going to be today's date. 7 p.m., we have a charge or a volume of 5.1 hours. So basically you have the scheduled. When you click on it, you have task 3, which is going to last 2 minutes, 30 minutes. We have task 1, 2 hours, task 2, 3 hours. So the 2 plus 3 is going to be 5 hours. The 30 minutes is going to be a half an hour, which means in this normally it is going to be 5.3 hours. It have set it up as 5.1, so it is going to have this as a specific area. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is going to count it like that. So I'm going to try to modify the task, 3:30 minutes to Sunday, and you're going to see the changement. And as you can see, it is going to be detected as 5.5 hours or 5 hours and a half. So depending on the period, it is going to divide this specific date. In other words, when you move tasks around, change dates, or update time estimates, the workload updates automatically. This makes it really powerful for planning upcoming weeks, because you can drag and drop tasks until every team member is at a healthy workload level, instead of too much or too little. So as you can see, you can manage or see the total of the hours or the assigned hours right there of the tasks. For example, I'm going to head over here, I create another task and name it task 4. It is going to be an assigned, but the start date is going to be here. Due date is going to be maybe to this date. Time estimate is going to be 6 hours, and we are going to head over the workload. You're going to find that we have 3 hours here and 3 hours in the Monday, so total of 6 hours, but it is going to be assigned. This is a good example of how Clickup splits the time estimate across multiple days. If your task runs over several days, Clickup spreads the hours according to the date range, so you can see how much time is booked for each day instead of everything being stacked on a single date. So that was how you can see your workload. Basically, you can go ahead and show the empty groups, hide them. You can go ahead and expand all. And also you can go ahead and see the tasks, and you're going to find everything. So basically you're going to have every task that you can modify. You can go and see the task, zoom in a little bit, have a total, and boom. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ClickUp tutorials. And if you have any questions about the workload view or ideas for other ClickUp videos, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help.